must have come across videos like this on social media. Sculpture made entirely from fresh green leaves. At first glance, you might think, are these really created by hand? Are they even real? The answer is no. Most of these viral leaf sculpture videos are AI generated. Even there are so many Instagram accounts posting this kind of content and they're getting millions of views. And the interesting part, you can create videos like this too using just few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Friends with AI, where we learn AI tools in simplest way. Today we are going to learn how you can create this kind of green leaf sculpture crafting video using AI. I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So the process begins with a character. Then we convert the character into an image. And from the image, we turn it into a video. So guys, for the character, simply I'll open Pinterest and I'll search Elon Musk. You can use your own photo or you can use from your gallery or computer. So I'll select one Elon Musk picture. This one is looking good and simply we'll download this picture. Now we'll open LM Arena. As I already mentioned LM Arena in my previous video also, it's a free tools and here you will get all the AI model for free, and I'll simply select Gemini 3 Pro. And from my local, I'll just upload that picture. So to convert this character into a video friendly image, we need a powerful prompt. As you can see guys, I already generated that prompt, and don't worry, I'll be sharing this prompt in the pinned comment, or I'll be sharing the file link in the video description. So here I have two prompts, one image prompt and one video prompt. Simply I'll copy the image prompt and paste it in LM Arena and click generate. As you can see guys, it has generated our picture. So simply I'll download that picture. Now we will open Grok, and in Grok we'll select Imagine. We will upload our image which we just generated from LM Arena. And from the document, I'll copy the prompt and we'll paste it in Grok. As you can see guys, Grok has generated the video. Simply you can download that video in your local. So this is how you can create AI generated green leaf sculpture videos that look realistic and eye-catching. Now you know the real secret behind those viral Instagram posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. On this channel, I have already shared many useful AI tutorials along with the notes, like how to generate bulk images using AI automation, how to create animated videos with consistent characters, and how to generate high converting ads for your brands using AI. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more AI tricks, tools and viral content idea. Comment below if you want a step-by-step prompt guide or a real specific tutorial. If you have any idea, also you can drop in the comment. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.